Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Basically how to mute and unmute the notifications on your watch, which could be useful in some circumstances, like maybe you're at work and you want to mute your notifications and then you want to unmute them, or maybe when you're sleeping and stuff like that. Okay, first we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper button or basically any button on your watch, and you should see the current watch face, the home screen. Once you see it, swipe up on the home screen to open the widgets, and on the list of widgets you should see this control panel. Tap on it, here scroll down and find the option called Do Not Disturb mode, this one. And once you find it, you can enable the mode by tapping on it. The mode will be enabled. You can tell by the status changing to on and the switch being flicked on. Also the screen will get a bit dimmer, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the lower button to go back to watch face, and on the watch face you will also see this icon which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, you simply open the widgets, tap on the control panel, and find the Do Not Disturb mode icon or option, and then tap on it to disable it. You can tell that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled by the status changing to off, the switch being ticked off, and if you go back to the watch face, the icon from watch face will also disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.